Vivo X100 Pro. So this will be a successor for the Vivo X90 Pro. So let's talk about this mobile's features. Let's start with the display size. Yes, when we talk about the display size, it comes with a 6.78 inches of LTPO3 AMOLED display, and probably this is also one of the brightest display which is going to release on in India. That is, it has a 3000 nits of peak brightness. Yes, and this mobile also comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection, and it is a 2K plus resolution display. When we talk about the processor, which is going to be the engine of the mobile, like this processor, this mobile comes with the MediaTek Dimensity 9300, which is a 4nm based octa-core 5G processor. Now when we talk about the 5G, we need to know about the 5G bands. This mobile comes with 11 5G bands in India. This mobile will be available in different variants like RAM and storage variants. And by the way, if you are watching the video until now, subscribing to the channel would be amazing, and hitting the like button will give me some support. When we talk about the RAM and storage, this mobile will be available in 12GB RAM 256GB and 12GB RAM 512GB, 16GB 512GB. So these are the different RAM and storage variants which this mobile will be available. These are the UFS 4.0 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X RAM types. So combining of this MediaTek Dimensity 9300 and LPDDR5X and UFS 4.0, we can expect a killer performance from this mobile. When we talk about the cameras, this Vivo X100 Pro mobile comes with the triple cameras at the back side, where you can find a 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and 50 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera with optical image stabilization, and 50 megapixels of third ultra wide angle camera. We can shoot up to 8K 24 fps with this mobile's back camera. For the front, it comes with a 30 megapixels of front facing wide angle lens. This mobile also comes with a bigger battery. This mobile might probably the third mobile which comes with a bigger battery after the Asus ROG and Samsung's M series mobile, which has a 6000 and 5000 respective batteries. This mobile comes with a 5400 milliamp hours of bigger battery, and that's not it. This mobile supports 100 watts of fast charge through wire and 50 watts of fast charge through wireless. 50 watts of wireless fast charge and 10 watts of reverse wireless charge. So these are the major features of this mobile. When we talk about the operating system, this mobile comes with the Android version 14 out of the box with the FunTouch OS 14, and this mobile also have the latest features like Wi-Fi 7, tri-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, which are the top of the line features. And this mobile also comes with the features which is lacking in a lot of mobile, that is IP68 dust and water resistant. Yes, this mobile also comes with the front and back glass and metal frame. This mobile also have the features like stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack. And when we talk about the box contents, this mobile comes with mobile itself and a TPU case. Probably they will give a charger, I don't know exactly, but we're gonna assume that they'll give a charger of 100 watts of fast charge and a type C cable, and also SIM ejector tool and some quick start guides or something. And when we talk about the colors, this mobile will be available in 4 colors, black, white, orange, and one another color, I don't remember that. I will leave a link to buy this mobile after the release of this mobile, probably this month end. I will leave a link to buy that mobile in the description box down below. You can directly go and buy the mobile from there. So yeah, when we talk about the price, this mobile base version will be released with the price tag of 58,000 almost 59,000 rupees. So yeah, these are the features of this mobile. If you like this video, hit the like button and the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.